How do you know that your potatoes are ready to be harvested? The greenery will die off. Oh, these are tiny taters, but I'll take them. Oh shoot, just scratched you up, baby. Oh, that's a nice one. I know it's an easier way to do this. However, I just like to get in there. And I got me some gloves on today because I don't like touching raw meat. And I actually was cooking before I came outside. And I said, you know what? I'll keep my gloves on. This bed is going to be ready for something else. Ooh, nice. If you want a full garden tour, I put one on my YouTube channel. Well, it will be uploaded today. Today is May 29th, Memorial Day 2023. That's funny looking. All right, y'all. Peace. Got to get to work.